Remember when we all thought AI was just about recommending movies? Fast forward to today. AI is busy writing code, building more AI, and even planning to steal your job if you don't adapt. Yup, 2025 is here, and it's rewriting the playbook on what it means to be a coder. The AI tsunami changing the game. It used to be that learning Python or Java in college guaranteed you a shiny six-figure job. But now, big tech players like Salesforce and Meta are leveraging AI to get 30% more productivity. Mark Zuckerberg is predicting that soon a mid-level engineer's job might be handled by an AI that's practically a code-writing wizard. And guess what? That's not sci-fi, it's happening right now. I recently chatted with a startup founder who boasted about slashing his engineering team to just 2 people because his new AI tool, think cursor on steroids, was cranking out code 10 times faster. It's like having a coworker who never calls in sick, never asks for a raise, and never complains about office coffee. So, should you learn to code in 2025? Yes, but with a twist. Instead of learning to code the way we did in the early 2000s, you need to learn to code with AI. The rules have changed, and if you're not riding this wave, you might just get left in the digital dust. Let's break down the 5-step roadmap to future-proofing your coding career. 1. Build your foundations. Start by mastering the basics with beginner-friendly languages like Python or JavaScript. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp or CS50 by Harvard are your best pals here. Just make sure you're building projects rather than drowning in endless tutorials. Trust me, nothing beats learning by doing. 2. Integrate AI into your workflow. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to invite AI to your coding party. Tools like GitHub Copilot and its cool cousins like GPT and Gemini can turn a rough function header into fully fleshed out code in seconds. Think of it as having a coding buddy who's available 24/7, except this buddy doesn't require coffee breaks. 3. Grasp the advanced concepts. Understanding AI isn't just about using it, you need to know how it ticks. Dive into generative AI courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Learn the nitty-gritty of tokenization. Remember, raspberry isn't just a fruit, it's split into rasp and berry, and pattern recognition. Knowing the limitations of these models not only boosts your skills, but also prevents you from accidentally launching a trillion-dollar disaster. 4. Apply AI to real-world projects. Theory is cool, but practice is where the magic happens. Experiment with real-world projects, like building a personalized movie recommendation system using NLP and machine learning. Grab a dataset. Hello, Movie Lens. Pre-process it, and fine-tune a pre-trained model from Hugging Face. Then, wrap it all up with a neat web interface using Flask or Django. Voila! You've just built a project that's both impressive and a great conversation starter at dev meetups. 5. Keep learning and adapting. Tech doesn't stand still, and neither should you. From generative AI to quantum computing and cybersecurity, new trends are emerging faster than you can say Stack Overflow. Subscribe to newsletters, follow industry podcasts, and always be ready to learn something new. Remember, the only constant in tech is change, and probably that one guy who still writes in COBOL. The takeaway learning to code in 2025 isn't just about memorizing syntax, it's about mastering the art of collaboration with AI. Sure, AI might replace some of the low-skill coding jobs, but it's the high-skill, AI-augmented developers who will rule the roost. If you adapt, you won't just survive. You'll thrive in this brave new world. So, gear up, dive into the AI-powered coding revolution, and remember, the future belongs to those who learn to code with AI. Now go forth and build something amazing, and maybe keep that coffee mug handy. You're going to need it.